This video will tell you how to use your whole new HRM-Pro to do your triathlon training. If you use your HRM-Pro an hour a day, you can use it for a year without changing batteries. With ANT Plus and Bluetooth technology, your HRM-Pro can connect with various compatible products and apps. Running. You can pair your HRM-Pro with a compatible Garmin watch. The HRM-Pro will provide you your heart rate and running dynamics during the activity. The information in running dynamics includes cadence, vertical oscillation, ground contact time and other 3 indexes. For more information on the running dynamics, please watch the video on the upper right corner. Besides, the running dynamics can also help you calculate your running power. Once you install the Running Power app on your watch through Connect IQ, you can see your power changing during the training. Cycling. You can pair your HRM-Pro with Edge series products or related training apps of your indoor trainer. This can help you record your heart rate as well. Swimming. Even if you train in the water, HRM-Pro can record your heart rate. It has enough capacity to record continuously up to 18 hours. After swimming, HRM-Pro will upload your heart rate data to your watch. Once your watch and phone are synced, you can view the data on your Garmin Connect. Automatic recording.
今天要进行嘴巴说不要，身体却很诚实的训练。那是什么训练啊？就是训练的时候不要戴手表，但是你的身体要诚实的控制在一定的心率范围以内。好打好硬。好，你的手表就放在我这里，你就只带着心率带去运动吧。记得体感控制心率在150到160之间。3、2、1，出发。
Once you press the start key for an activity on your paired device, your HRM-Pro will keep recording your heart rate, even if you run exceeding the signal transmission area. After saving the activity, your HRM-Pro will automatically send your heart rate data to your device. Now, let's go practicing with your HRM-Pro.